Hi and welcome back. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about macOS, if you're using macOS, and HTTPS URLs. As you can see here, we've requested http.google.com. In our app, we requested http.books.toscape.com. And we never made an HTTPS request. For example, something like this one. This is John Lewis. It's a pretty big shop in the UK, but its website has HTTPS. If you have just now installed Python, maybe at the start of the course or recently, and you're using Python 3.6 or 3.7, it's possible that when you run this program, it will fail. Linked to this lecture, I've got a bit of code that you can run to see if your Python is set up correctly. And if running this code fails, that means that you've got a missing piece of configuration in your Python code. This is fine. If you are using macOS 10, your Python doesn't come with a library that it needs in order to essentially verify that these domains are actually secure. So OS X, macOS 10, provides deprecated or old versions of an important library for verification. And this library is called OpenSSL, and Python 3.6 and 3.7 got tired of using these deprecated old versions. So now Python 3.6 and 3.7 and probably newer versions as well are shipping with their own version of this library. Because it's their own version, it means that all the certificates, and keys and things like that your computer trusts by default, your computer says johnlewis.com is, this is secure because this certificate was created by this organization that we trust. Python doesn't trust those organizations by default because it's a completely different library than the one that comes in your computer. So if you want to make Python usable with HTTPS, what you have to do is you have to install something that is inside your Python folder. So I'm going to bring it up. What you want to look at is you want to find your Python folder in your applications. And notice how it's Python 3.6, and then I've got Python 3.7 here, which is a new version. There is a thing here called install certificates.command. All you have to do is double click that. And when you do that, this will work. Okay, so all you have to do is double click that. That is going to install the certificates that you need in order to trust these secure domains. Again, the code linked in this lecture has some more information on why this is happening and how you can fix it. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to tell you about this because it's a frequent problem when you start making these requests, and it can be a big pain in the ass to solve, especially if you don't know what you're looking for. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.